Hi everybody and welcome back to TCL. So in today's video I'm going to show you why won't your TCL MoveAudio S200 can't charge. So the first issue I'd check is that your cable might be broken. Try changing the cable. For example, here I do have the broken USB Type-C cable. And let me plug my cable into my charging base first. And now, as you can see, if I plug my cable into my headphones, they are not charging. Wait a moment, as you can see, they're not charging. It's because of the cable. So try changing the cable, try changing the charger, and then it should help you. It should work for you. But if it didn't work for you, you have to do a hard reset of your headphones. To do so, open the case lid and hold the button on the back of your headphones for at least 10 seconds. It should reset all your data and all the headphones information in there and should unlock your headphones. Apart from that, you should check if your firmware update is set to the last one, and if you have updated. It's because some new firmware updates can be broken, and they can make a quick fix for your headphones, bug fix. So it might be that issue. But of course, if you didn't have the update and you have all done, your headphones may be just broken, and you have to contact the device support. That's it. Hope it helps you and hope your headphones are working. Goodbye.